What's the meaning of concretely? Concretely. Concretely.
Concretely. Concretely. Concretely refers to something that is tangible, specific, and easily observable or measured. It is often used to describe something that can be expressed in definite terms or that can be physically seen or touched. For example, if someone says concretely, "I have 10 apples," it means that they have something that can be counted and measured. Using concretely in communication helps to provide concrete examples for abstract concepts, make ideas more tangible, and bring clarity to discussions. Overall, the use of concretely in language encourages precision and specificity when describing situations or ideas.